Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
To copy a Canva design into Word, first, save your Canva design as a PDF or image file. For a PDF, go to the Share button, select Download, and choose PDF. For an image, select PNG or JPG. Next, open your Word document. Go to the Insert tab. Choose Pictures if you saved your design as an image, or Text box if you're inserting a PDF, then Object, and select from File. Locate the file you downloaded from Canva and insert it into your Word document.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.